Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Throne and Liability game connection problems or the server issues. Guys, first open up your end browser and just search for this website and just open up this website. Now here you are able to see your server status. Now just select your region, then just select your server, then just see if it is in maintenance or good. And if it is in maintenance, then just wait for it to come back to the normal, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if server is in good, then maybe problem with your internet. So let's see how we can fix the problem if the problem with your connection. So first go to the Windows search, type here the ncpa.cpl and this setting appear on the top. So simply open up this settings. And guys, here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. So make a right click on your connection and you will see the properties on the last. So just click on the properties, then just highlight the Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on the properties, then click on the use the following DNS addresses. Then just in the preferred DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. Guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then just click on the OK. Then launch the game. Then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows search again and just type here the CMD. And once you type it, now you'll see the run as administrator option. Just click on that. Now here just type the ipconfig and space forward slash then flush DNS. So once you type it, just hit the enter and this command flush your all DNS resolver cache. And guys, this is very important. Then just type the netsh space winsock and space reset. And guys, once you type this command, just hit the enter and then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restart your PC, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN or go to the Windows search and just type here the proxy setting and open it. And once your proxy setting was open, here just scroll down and you will see the manual proxy setup. So make sure that this option is off on your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows search and just type here the network reset and this setting appear on the top, so open it. Then click on the reset now, then just click on the yes option. Then you must need to restart your PC, then check your problem is fixed or not. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video and please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.